Hello guys, dito po kami sa event ngayon guys. Ayan, makikita nyo po guys ay napakadaming tao po. Ayan, makikita nyo po dito yung aming okay, so yung mascot. Ito kami sa event ngayon guys. Sorry. Hello po. Hawa mo.
All-purpose free.
So, yan nga guys.
Of course, our sliced banana.
Ina-assist na po yung aming adonis guys.
Vanilla cookies. Our grahams, which is already mixed with sugar, brown sugar, and butter. And we have here our salted or unsalted.
Guys, sumasayo na po yung aming manok.
Hindi ko alam ha, isa palang TikTokers dancer si Kada lately. Yes, at talaga naman, napaka-toward and matsa ng ating newest Cooks Kada, Kada lately.
Yan guys, tapos na siyang sumayaw.
So all of our Cooks Kada out there, let us visit our booth. At syempre, pwede nyo rin
Ay, mga aming magaganda views guys.
Cooks experience using the hashtag ChooseCooks. Alright!
Guys, ayan ho guys oh. May nagpapaselfie na po sa aming mascot guys. May sikat na guys. Daming pretties dito guys. Ikot-ikot siya guys. Nakipag-appear pa oh. Tingin pa siya ng kape. Ang titigim siya ng pretties guys, pero mukhang malabo. Busy siya guys, busy. Iniikot-ikot niya yung bunga no guys oh. Eto guys, iniikot-ikot na namin yung mga pretties dito guys.
Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to WOFEX Manila 2026. Come and visit the Milan booth 2179. Right now we're having our highlight with Mr. Larry Andrada featuring Celestial Teas. So come and visit the Milan booth 2179. Come and visit the Milan booth 2179. Experience Milan's wide range of products in different applications. We have syrups, fruit mixes, and powders in our coffee station, slushy station, and of
kami, guys.
course our highlight station. So come and visit the Milan booth 2179.
Ganda nyo isang yun guys. Ayan guys oh. Ikot-ikot lang kami dito guys. Habang wala pa akong ginagawa.
slowly see the sunlight. Ay, Louie, welcome back! Ayan! Robert Scala, talagang nagpa-picture na tayo kay Louie.
Ayan guys, nagbalik na po kami dito sa event guys.